Transform your outdoor space into a peaceful retreat with these stunning patio design ideas. Whether you're looking to entertain guests or simply relax, a well-designed patio can elevate your home's overall ambience. In this video, we'll explore creative and minimalist ways to turn your patio into the ultimate outdoor oasis. Start by selecting minimalist patio furniture. Think clean lines, natural materials like wood and stone, and calming color palettes. The goal is to create a balanced, serene environment, blending your furniture with nature. Opt for space-saving layouts like built-in benches or folding chairs to make the most of any size patio. Make your patio functional for every season by incorporating versatile pieces like outdoor cushions, pergolas for shade, or patio fans for those warmer days. If you're into DIY, consider adding a personal touch with handmade wooden furniture or rustic elements that complement nature. Don't forget to bring in greenery. Planters with vertical gardens or hanging baskets can maximize your space and give a fresh, inviting feel. Consider adding a small fountain for that extra touch of tranquility. Whether you're working with a spacious backyard or a small porch, a few strategic plant choices can make a big difference.